Hi, Brian Bachland from MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a walkthrough video on the 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. This boat has a beautiful full black hull. So we'll step around back and take a look. This boat is powered with a Mercury 4-stroke 150. Plenty of power for a load of people and to pull somebody in the water. Very nice swim platform with access all across, water sports tow post. You have a 12-volt charger, telescoping boarding ladder, very nice pass-through for easy entry into the cockpit. There we have battery storage and a removable cooler. Very spacious cockpit, twin helm chairs for the captain and passenger. Some dash storage up top, under dash storage. Very nicely pointed dash, full array of gauges, depth finder. You have a Fusion stereo with speakers. Integrated cooler in the back. More storage. There's storage under every compartment in this boat. And moving forward, a very nicely laid out bow area, plenty of space, nicely wrapped around bolsters, so you can nestle into that corner, stay secure, and be comfortable. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give us a call, come down and see this boat in person, set up a demo, or check out any of the other boats we have in stock. Thank you and have a great day. Hope to see you in the water soon.